you, then I'll be right there. Let me come check you, my baby. No time, no. You send me the look.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I got another wig review video. Today's video is sponsored by Upermall Hair, and this video, well, this hair that I'm wearing is a 12-inch bob. It's a 4x4 lace closure. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the video. So let's get into the video, guys, and definitely let me know what you guys think. Do you like the look? Yeah, let me know what you guys think on this video. So let's get into it right now. So as you can see, the hair comes in a nice silk bag with their logo, Upermall Hair. And as you see here, I'm taking out the hair, and it's also in a plastic bag, and it comes with a wig cap as usual. This is a 12-inch hair, and you have the website also on the satin bag. And like I said, it's a 12-inch hair. We're going to open the bag, and I'm going to show you what the hair looks like. It comes also with a mesh over it to protect the hair, which is still good. And so we're just gonna shake out this hair, and this hair was, I actually washed and bleached the knots ahead of time, guys. So make sure that you're washing your hair and bleaching the knots ahead of time, or at least washing your hair, at least if you don't bleach the knots. So you can see it has 4 combs, one at the bottom, one at the top, and 2 at the sides. And it also comes with a adjustable strap, and it also comes with their name inside, so that is good. This is a 4x4 closure, as you guys can see, wig. So I'm going in with my rubbing alcohol and my cotton swab. I'm just going to do my usual, where I wipe the perimeter of my hair, and then I will also be going in with my freeze spray after this, and then I'm going to install the wig. So I just want to make sure that the perimeter is nice and clean, and then it's dried, and then there goes the freeze spray.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really Baby, on your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from these beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions on replay. Sit right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
And that is the final look for the hair, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I would just like to say thank you again to Upermall for sponsoring this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I will definitely leave the link to this hair in the comments below. This is their 12-inch bob, and I love it. What do you guys think of the look? So that is the back. The hair is soft and it's just bouncing. I love the look. It's me. So I hope you guys did enjoy this quick video with your girl, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feeling them alone for do it big.